Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Gitanjali and the topic that has been given us today is how to develop our village. First of all, India's GDP is 44, which comes by our village pupils. But today's time development is only seen in metropolitan city and areas and development city. But in rural areas, it is only eyes of world, and government was not seen what is the situation of rural area. First of all, I want to lighted what is the issue of in a village area, which sometimes generally seen by every pupils and whose belongs to village area and rural area. First of all, I want to light some topic. First, education. Second, hospitals, dental centers, and problems of irrigations and problems of irrigations and dental surgeries and some many issues you can see that generally. First of all, I want to lighten about women education, electricity, women empowerment, and some schemes which was not gone in between village areas people. First of all, education. I think a lack of education is the main problem of village area. You can see easily because village pupils are believe in child labor. So I think it is a main cause of it is a main cause of that village is not development development part of our country. Second, I think lack of opportunities and lack of hospitals. You can see that mostly in hospitals, in government hospital especially, you can see that many doctors are not attendant in daily, and some of few facility you can see lack of opportunity, lack of electric devices. I think this is the main problem. I thought about a statement of Mahatma Gandhi. In Mahatma Gandhi said that India formal plays a very important role in our village for our country, and 44% GDP is depend only on our village people. So I think village is very important, plays very important role for our country. And second, I think women. Third topic I want to say that women's development and women empowerment. You can say that women's empowerment is very important, because sometimes you can see that village pupils do not want to birth baby girl child. So I think it is a very main problem, because it's decrease our sex ratio and women's empowerment. So I think it is a very big cause of our problem. I think in fourth I want to say that in business field, I think lack of opportunity, lack of knowledge, lack of management, and lack of problems. I think it is a main issue to stuck our village society. And fourth, I want to say that stock marketing. You can say that a few of market in a village area. You can see that many few market you can see a home for away second house. So I think it is a main problem. And how to develop our village, today's topic. So I want to discuss what is the problem, what is the solution of problem. First of all, I think government should make strong and stringent rules for every village area's pupil. For example, first of all, education is most compulsory for every children. So I think government should provide some facility and opportunity full hospital in a village area. I think and government should provide few fees government school, because sometimes people do not can't afford the fees of their children. So I think it is main problem. And sometimes you can see that the pressure of debt, farmers commit suicide in India because they have no money. So I think it is main problem. And government should provide some hospitals in village area, and government should provide in hospital in village area, and government should make strong and stringent rules for government doctors. Government provide hospitals, provide doctors, And another thing, and government should provide some stocking, marketing and many things, because I think lack of knowledge and lack of opportunity, sometimes pupils do not want to invest their money, and I think it is a main problem. It is a main problem of our development, and it is a main trap to our development. And I want to discuss some schemes which government launched and which government launched by in between village areas people. First of all, Anyodaya Yojana, it's a scheme only based on for whose farmers do not afford and do not survive due to lack of foods and lack of water. So I think it's a scheme very helpful for according to my perception, it's scheme is very helpful for every farmers and every farmers family who do not survive easily way. And second, I think second schemes, I think second, government should provide some credit card and some ration card. I think it is very helpful for every human being and every farmers, because sometimes people because sometimes village people and farmers are not educated. So I think it is a main problem. So I think then when government will provide some ration card and credit card, so I think it is very easily to survive easily way in their life. And second, I want to discuss, I think in a village area you can see that many pupils do not want to increase the ratio of girls, because they understand girls is a part of home, and they do not want to educate, they do not want to provide some education field, and they do not want to grow in the field of education. So I think it is main problem. So I think government make a scheme in 2004 for Beti Bachao Beti Padhao schemes. It is very helpful for every woman, and I think it's a scheme very helpful, and every girl are teaching day by day. Thank you so much listening me, enjoying me and joining me.